Giving for me is something that I am very particular about. Hence, when my international subscribers reached out to me to assist them in finding an apartment, I didn't think it twice. Let me take you on a journey on my apartment hunting series for my subscribers.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. Down the road, there's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
So we're here at Melrose Place, apartment 17. So walking in here, you're gonna have the easy hardwood floors to clean. You're gonna have some beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen area over there. You got perfect space for your dining room area, which is you can put a 6-top there and have people over for dinner. You could also set up, a little couch area in the living room area here. This is a 2-bedroom, so it's, you gotta have this extra living room space. It's really great to have friends over, especially as students. I think that's a huge thing for you to have. Over here, you're gonna have, kind of your kitchen area. You're coming in, you got a great size refrigerator. You're gonna have a lot of space that you're looking here for you and your roommate to share. You also have up here, you're gonna have your freezer. So you can put a lot of different meals here. You can freeze, a lot of stuff. So great for people who love to cook. You got a great kitchen space here. You got a granite countertops. You got this double sink here with a smaller but very efficient dishwasher. So you got here. So you got that. You got the backsplash tile here, and then you also got these great cabinets. They're going to have the kind of soft close, so they don't, close very hard, so you can just kind of put them like that. So that's a really awesome feature. You got a lot of amazing storage up here, that you can put a lot of different things, especially for people who love to cook. Over this way, you're going to flow in. You got a microwave.
Yeah, microwave.
Which is huge, right? I mean, huge for an apartment like this. You're going to have a great size, 4 stovetop, and then you have the oven in here. So you got great space, again, for people who like to cook. I think this is an amazing apartment. You're going to kind of walk on in. You're going to have your kind of hideaway stackable washer dryer unit that you can just kind of tuck away if you want to. So that's a great thing to have. You're going to walk in here to one of the first bedrooms. So you walk in, you got a lot of great space. You can fit definitely a full bed or a queen bed probably in here with some nightstands. That'd be great. Above you're gonna have your central heat and air. You're also gonna have amazing closet space in here. As you can see, kind of walking in, you got a lot of great space. So yeah, so this is perfect. And then kind of walking on out, you're gonna see, we're gonna go into the second room over this way. And you'll get to see, again, very similar size. And if you kind of notice, we had a light and fan area in the other one.
Yes.
And so then you also over here, you're going to have your closet space here. You got a little bit more closet space in this one than the other one. It's not a walk-in, but still you're going to have kind of some good space, so you can kind of see on both sides here what you have. So a lot of great space for if you're going to be if you got a lot of clothes, things like that, it's great for that. You're gonna have the windows in both, you can kind of look out, and these are actually going to be blinds, kind of really easy to operate, and you got is there, so for privacy. And then if we're kind of walking on out, we're gonna go check out the bedroom in here, which I think is really awesome, because you're gonna have this really nice vanity with the granite countertops. You're gonna have a great size bathroom. Your shower there with the tile backsplash, which is really big for a lot of apartments. This is a good sized bathroom for 2 people. Again, you have the vanity that you have a lot of different stuff, a lot of storage that you have for 2 people that I think would be great. You got plenty of storage in these units. So, yeah, so that's kind of the core here.
I know you've been wondering, where is Valeen? All right, wonder no more. I am here, okay? So, when I come here to talk, I'm going to be talking about something very important. So this is the time where we need to figure out how much this 2-bedroom apartment is going for. And I'm going to be asking Mr. Court what the price point is. But to be honest, this apartment is very close to school. It is what you're looking for. It is spacious. It is everything luxury. I mean, did you see the swimming pool? Did you see the outdoor swimming pool? Guys, I am legit jealous. Over to you, Mr. Court.
This unit here is going for 1,100.
1,100?
1,100, yes.
Does it include the utilities?
It does not include any utilities, so that's just going to be the unit there.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a great unit if you have a roommate, and it's really updated, very modern. I think it's the perfect place for y'all.
Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your
This is one of the few pools that you're going to have in the south side area here in Birmingham. So there are not many apartment complexes that have one. So this is really a huge thing if that's something that matters to you. It has some communal area down here, which is great. You know, you get out, you want to go and study, you know, during the summertime, which is super nice. Or if you want to lay out and just kind of relax a little bit. But this is an amazing part of the property.
How close is this to the
Maybe a 10-minute walk, I would say. You know, to get on campus. It depends where you're wanting to go on campus. It could be maybe 20 minutes or so, depending if you want to, you know, kind of hike across campus.
How about security?
Yeah, so in this unit here, you're actually going to have, it's going to be keypad access, you know, coming into the unit. So nobody without keypad, you know, code can get into to where we are right now in the common area. So, yeah.
So what would you say to any international student that's looking at this apartment right now?
Yeah, I would say if you have another roommate, I think this is a great buy because you're going to be, you know, for the price of the property, it's going to be the same as a one bedroom, probably one of the cheaper one bedrooms, but you're going to have such a better quality of your unit. So, yeah, this is a great place to be, especially if you're looking to walk on campus and have, you know, some security and safety.
How about maintenance? If anything gets bad, what happens?
So H2 Real Estate, we're really great. That's one of our top things that we have, you know, is that our maintenance. You can put it on a work order through our app, and our maintenance team will be out to get that fixed for you.
So guys, you heard it all from Kurt, and to be honest, I am jealous of this apartment because it has everything that you need. You actually have places over there that you can sit out during the summer. This is the apartment for you. Like everywhere looks cozy, and you can see Christmas already at the door for some of the room tenants. That'll show you how people actually take celebration seriously here. So this is the place for you. I actually would want you to take this if you do have a roommate because it's important. But if you also have the money to get a 2-bedroom on your own, then that's fine as well. So I hope you find one apartment for yourself because there's a lot that you can get from here. So I'll see you guys in a bit, and that's it for this apartment. Bye guys.
Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue.
Nice flatmates, nice people. Say bye again. Say it again. Bye.
Till the morning light, I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say this. It wouldn't have been possible without Gary here. So Gary is the one that took me on this journey. He gave me this ride, and so you guys need to like say a huge thank you to Gary, because he's pissed right now at me. Gary has been like wonderful. He's been family. He's been so good to me, and I don't offend Gary in any way, but you guys are making me offend Gary. Do you understand what I'm saying? So just say, Gary, thank you in the comments. And Gary, this is me saying thank you so much for everything that you do. Okay. And even though this is not enough to say I'm sorry, I think I'll make you another jollof rice, but this time with less spice.
A little less spice.
A little less spice. So I made jollof rice and I gave to Gary, and he's like, whoa, that was spicy. Yeah. So one of these days I'm going to make jollof rice again and, you know, have him try it on camera, because I think he didn't actually eat so much from the first one that I gave to him.
Well,
so,
I ate it in two. I ate it in 2 segments.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for the support. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and keep sharing my videos, and I'll see you guys. Bye. Gary says bye.